my feelings. Yeah, you got me in my feelings.
I'm starting to think that this little corner of the room is probably my favorite, but whatever. Anyways, I'm going to the hairdresser today because this can't work. This cannot work anymore. I've had it. I was going to draw for my little green blouse that I always wear every single time I go to the... I was gonna say two different things. I was gonna say same green clothes I'm always wear or wear to the hairdresser. Either way, I don't know me at all. Said I take up the shirt and I put it back down because I said no man, I always wear that one little green shirt here. Let's switch it up. So on this long sleeve and shorts, just pay no mind to my closet. I kind of clean out and I separate my laundry, and that's none of your business. That's none of your concern. I'm going to find one of my hats to put on. I cannot find my black beanie, so I might have to wear this, which is gonna look so stupid with this red shirt, but I don't care. I really don't give a damn. I really want to know what the black beanie is still. Feel like it's dirty. But I don't normally put it with my other laundry, so where the heck is it? Well, anyway, man, just I gotta put on the pink one and call it a day. It is now 4:33. My appointment is at 5. All I have to do now is literally just call my Uber, put on like a spray, and that's pretty much it. I'm trying so hard not to scratch my head, but of course every single time I'm about to get my hair relaxed, my hair just starts, it just starts scratch me. The edge just starts scratching me. But anyways, I'm gonna try 2 new scents today that I got from Dossier. So, well, it's not new because I haven't gotten any new ones yet, but I have a few that I use on a daily basis, and now that those are finally finishing, I have to go draw back for the other ones that I had put in safekeeping. So one of those was this one, which is Spicy Orchid. I believe this is a Tom Ford dupe, but I will put it up on the screen. But before we even go any further, if you don't know what Dossier is basically something you need in your life, for number 1. Number 2, it's a company that replicates designer scents at a fraction of the cost. So if you want a YSL perfume for $300, instead of spending that $300 that you don't have, you can go to dossier.co and get it for the lowest $29.99. So yeah, if you ask me, that is cheap and clean, bougie on a budget. Don't reach where your pocket can go. Okay, the scent of the day, I'm choosing between Floral Sandalwood and Spicy Orchid. Oh, this is nice. I think I put this one up because it smells so nice that I didn't want to finish it, because that's at half. The Spicy Orchid though, this one, oh my gosh. Okay, wait, I feel like, you know what, I was about to say I wanted to wear them probably tonight if I decide to go on the road, but tonight is not promised. I'm wearing them now. Right now I'm spraying on the Floral Sandalwood. It'll kill me, but it smells so good. Some of them are way stronger than some, and I just love it. Should I mix them? I'm gonna mix them. Let me kill myself. But they smell amazing. They really do smell amazing. And if you want to try Dossier, make sure you use my code AndImShelby5 so you can get some money off your order. Yeah, you do that. Okay. I will see you guys at the hairdresser.
Jump scare.
Smoking on the finest note. Drinking till I can't no more. Really, I'm with so, but I'm with the homies right now. And we asking for no favors. Rush a nigga quick and laugh about it later. Really, I'm a peacemaker, but I'm with
Want some sea chances? Show me on go my Tory channel. So today I'm on a shoot with Campari, and I did my makeup again. Makeup by Kim. There's talking in my background that I don't like. So I'll talk to you guys a little later because I'm shy. So hey guys, in today's episode of And I'm Shelby. I'm here with Lee Bird and Kim. Hi. You know, Lee's getting her makeup done. Yeah. The dolly looking like a dolly now. Yeah, purple. Yeah. So am I. Can't go to myself. How fancy this.
I can't, but
I am finished. I am done. It is my bedtime. My room is still not half as clean as I would like it to be. I don't even think I told you guys earlier, but my friend Shade is coming to stay with me tomorrow, and I'm gonna kind of try my best to clean up a little. It's still not half as clean as I would like it to be, but God no, can't get on with my friend. You just know so I saw the thing come down again. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Anyways, I'm using this micellar water from Garnier. My wipes are finished, so use it all over my face, and then I'm gonna wash it off. Let me take these lashes off. One thing, you know, every time I let a makeup artist do my makeup, I just know I'm coming home with some nice lashes. Some cute little natural looking lashes. I promise guys, I'm not a catfish. The makeup just be makeuping and enhancing my already beautiful features. So I'm not ugly without makeup. My features are just enhanced, that's all. One night I end up sleeping in makeup. I was so mad at myself. I woke up at like 3 a.m. to try to wipe it off with tissue because the water had gone. I had one wipe left and I used it, and I wanted to wash off the rest, but the water had gone. So I'm gonna just put some hand sanitizer, one piece of tissue, and wipe it off because I wasn't home and I didn't have my soda water. So struggles. But yeah, take off your makeup. Take off your makeup. Do not under any circumstance sleep in your makeup. Well, yeah, went all the way to Ochi for that shoot. I just kind of brushed my hair up like that. I'm still trying to figure out how to preserve my hair at night. My hairdresser literally tell me say she would do her hair every 2 days, because she asked me how often I wash it, because I asked her, you know, when I wash my hair, how should I moisturize it, etc, etc, and she asked me how often I wash my hair, and I'm like, every 2 weeks or every week, and she's like, I would wash mine every 2 days. I'm like, what? I'm not getting up every 2 days to wash nothing. And probably that's why I just look so retarded every day, because pixie cut is not normal, man. It's hard to maintain. This is really a hot girl hairstyle, and I'm starting to reconsider, you know, being a hot girl. I can't believe I made cream my hair yesterday. Uno should I see? Uno should I see my hair this morning? Anyways, that's it. That's all. See y'all in the morning. Shade's supposed to be reaching here probably 6:30 in the morning. Well, I'll wake up for that today, but I have to. Good night. Good morning. So here is Shade. I was telling you guys that she was coming. And I don't know if I said it in this vlog, but my birthday is coming, July 31st, baby. And you know, I said I was gonna buy myself a drone for my birthday, and you know, I said to her, I said, alright, she come down, I go send her the money for buy the drone, and she carry it down or whatever. But then some things did come up on me and say, me no want to go buy a drone, and then me can go do this and do that for my birthday, and you know, I was watching this over. Anyways, we just trying to buy a drone. Alright, I'm not crying. I'm not gonna cry. Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay guys, goodbye. So I finally got back my results. Well, I got them a long time ago, but I was dealing with all my birthday stuff, so I didn't get the time to check out my wrist, and it is getting worse. So I'm back at the doctor now, and we're gonna find out if something broke or a fracture or what, cause I can't do this anymore. I am depressed. I'm gonna stop saying that. It hurts. I'm gonna stop saying I'm depressed, even as a joke, because yeah. And don't mind my wig, I just be popping them on my head. I don't care what I do. So we'll see what's up, and I'll come back after me and the doctor have a chat. Okay. All right, so I'm back from the doctor, and basically he's saying that I have a enthesopathy. So that's basically a disorder of the entheses, which are connective tissues between the bone and tendons or ligaments. So in basic, between, you know, two of them bone, it's inflamed because of some injury or something. I don't know what happened. This has been going on for like 3 months now, and as time progresses, I can't remember what I could have done that could have caused this, but it could be from a bunch of different reasons. I probably was carrying a bag and my hand kind of slipped a certain way because it's too heavy. I probably caught something and my hand slipped. I probably caught something and my hand slipped back, and I don't know. It could be the way that I'm typing on my laptop, because I'm always using my laptop. So it could be a bunch of reasons, but I'm not really sure what it could be. So basically there are two alternatives. I could either get some tablets to take and use a splint. Not sure what a splint is. He said this is not really helpful, and I'm glad he said that, because it's really not. I thought I was tripping, but it's not helpful. Yeah, I don't know. So restricting, and sometimes it makes it hurt more, and then this one is just a bad one because it bruises my thumb area right there. It's just a lot. I need to see an image of this. Oh, okay, this is what a splint looks like. I guess there's more support. I don't know, yeah, so that is that. And oh yeah, so the first option is the splint with the medication. So the medication is supposed to help with the inflammation, or I can get an injection, which will be straight in here. 2 injections, so one like up here and one in here, and that's supposed to work faster. And I'm also going to get tablets to take to ease the pain, because he said like within the first 3 days it's going to be really painful, and I might have a little bleached out spot right here because of the injection, but it will go away. So yeah, that's where we are. So next week I'm gonna go do that, and hopefully this gets better, because I can't do this no more. It's driving me nuts. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get some food now. Talk to you guys either when I get food or I'm reaching me out. Yeah. Hey you all, it's a little bit later. I got home and I just decided to more lie down a little bit. You know, the doll just wanted to lie down. Okay, so now I'm going to go to a pour and sip thing. It's a candle making thing, and you get wine to drink. So me and Shakira are gonna go to that. It starts at 7. it's like 6:20 now or something like that, so I'm going to meet up with Shaquille because it's closer to her side, so she'll have to come pick me up and then drive back like towards that side. I'm gonna go meet her and then we go together. This is my little fit. It's just this top, these pants, and I had just did this because I wanted the top of the hair to lay a little bit flatter than it was, but my Uber is 4 minutes away. Them say 1 minute away. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna get my bag and head out. It's not fancy. I'm not put on no makeup. I'm not doing none of that. I'm just gonna put on lip gloss and that is it. That is all. Hopefully I can go for a drink after if I'm not wine drunk. Anyways, later. You know, look so bad, you know.
What is that?
You just have a black book. Yeah, you just have to stay right there. So,
Look at this guy.
So guys, we finally reached. It's now 7:08. The other people they might reach it, but they need to hurry up because I'm trying to get some food after, and hopefully nowhere is closed by the time. I don't know where to go and get food though. What do you think about the place? Republic. Oh, that's sushi.
So Morgan and I will walk around and give you guys blue dots, and that's how it will stick to the center of your jar, okay? And then we have a shot glass. I wish we were taking shots, but we're not. I mean, I have wine. I have wine, guys. We're not turning all the way up. We're just gonna be cute. So whatever oil you decide on, you're also allowed to mix oils. I'll put that out there. Oils we have, and then when you guys are deciding what you want, I'll catch up. So we have birthday cake.
I like
I'm trying to see what you'll be like.
I like it. Does that smell like air freshener? It smell like Febreze. I don't want that.
Shampoo, birthday.
Hey you all, I don't know how many days it's been since that candle making class, but it's a new day and I actually want to upload this vlog. I've edited everything else already. I would just need to put this in, and the only reason why I'm actually even including this in this vlog and not next week's vlog is because I really want to show you something. Everybody keeps asking me for a skincare routine. Where is the updated skincare routine? Where is the routine? Where's the routine? I ain't got none. Don't have any. I use the Ordinary Niacinamide that Tiffany recommended. By the way, that is Skin Fairy Dr. J.A. on Instagram. That's where I get all my skincare products, and it's now where I just get all my body care products because Tiffany's the GOAT. I trust her with my skin, so anything what she have, I'm gonna try it. She's the only person that can get me to try a different skincare product, even if I was having doubts about it. She's not only selling skincare from other brands now, she makes some of her own, but she's still gonna be selling the other brands. You get me, I said? But anyways, this is my box of stuff. You see me, you see. Now to the meat of the matter. So in my little box I have this mango papaya scrub. It's a moisturizing body scrub. I don't know, you see, because of the scrubs that I used to use, I still can't get over the fact that scrubs actually lather. I'm just so not used to my scrubs lathering, so every time I get a scrub from her I'm just amazed, and it smells so good. It smells like candy. And the crystal, like the sugar scrub, the scrub itself, the grains are not they're not big, so they're not going to be harsh on your skin. I really hated that tree hut scrub, because the little cubes, the little whatever you call them, they're just way too big and rough, and I can't do that. I already use exfoliating gloves when I'm using this, so I really do not need it to be that abrasive. So this is great. But I also got another scrub which I have been using every day since I got it, and it's the sun-kissed melon one. It's literally watermelon. Listen, see, I've been using it. It smells like candy, bro. Every time I finish using my soap, my regular soap, I go in with this all over my body, and I smell so good. And as soon as I get out that shower, I come back and I follow up with this moisturizer. If you know me, you know me not like lotion. I do not put any type of body oil, no moisturizer, no nothing on my skin at all. This is how I've been since I'm small. I'm gonna like lotion, I'm gonna use lotion, I'm gonna put nothing on my skin. I just throw my walk every day with my foot them dry. Luckily, when you scratch it so, you don't see the white, you don't see the mark. And really and truly, that's the only time you ever get me to use lotion. When it becomes too bad, I'm gonna go on, you see the little, yeah, rubble. But this is very lightweight, and that's why I like it, because lotion just make me always feel so hot and weighed down, and I hate it. So this, I really love it, and it's all good, so that's a win. And I think I heard a hack that you should put on, is it body oils or is that body butters, before you spray on your perfume, so the perfume lasts longer, and like the 2 cents mix, and then it's just like perfume gasm. I don't know. This one smells so good. This one is Island Oasis. If you realize, I really like citrusy, fruity scents. There is called Divine Aura. This one is like everyday wear. You know, like when you have your one Jergens, that original scent, that's what this gives me. This gives me original scent. The milk cleanser. This is coconut papaya, and it removes makeup, dirt, impurities while leaving your skin silky smooth and ultra soft. So I just always use my Dove soap when we use bathe with, I wash my face, because I just didn't really care. I've been neglecting my skin a lot, and I should really stop that. I'm gonna get back into a routine, so just bear with me a little. I am not a fan of this product only because it doesn't lather. It smells great and all of that, but I like things that lather. Same thing with shampoos. If may I use a shampoo, or may I use anything that doesn't lather, that I want to lather, I hate it. So I use it still because I feel like I need to start using something other than the soap that I used to bathe with to wash my face. So I've been using it, but it's not my favorite. It's not really my favorite. So if she creates one that lathers, I'll get that one. But if you're into milk cleansers and you don't mind it not lathering, then you can go get this. Who the f this is this Summer Skies candle. People, I burned a candle yesterday, and this is my first candle that I've let get all liquidy, all melted, and I thought that was like the end of my candle, but I didn't know. This might sound very stupid, but I didn't know that when it gets to that state, it literally just needs to dry. And here we are again. So I might get a good little use out of it. As I said, I've never like used a whole candle till me see just liquid. So did that. This smells so amazing. Again, it really smells fruity. I just love it so much. Like, oh my god, it's giving citrusy, like a orangish mango type of scent. I don't know what, you know, mango sweetie. Yeah, it smells like mango sweetie, but with a hint of some other fruit. I love it so much. This is now my favorite candle that I have. The one I'm gonna make here comes nowhere close to this. This is that she made. I haven't tried this one yet, actually. I think she said these are edible too, because I told her the last time, she asked me like, what do you look for in like it actually tastes good. It tastes like sweetie. It really do taste like sweetie. So yeah, these are the 2 lip balms that I got. One is Mango Tango and the other one is XOXO, and they're both revitalizing lip balms. Yeah, if you want to try out any of these products, or if you just want to get some other brands that you know, Good Molecules, The Ordinary, etc, etc, the list is long. There's a lot of stuff on her website and on her Instagram page. Once again, skinfairy.ja. you can just use my code ShelbyXO for 15% off your first order and 10% off every order after your first order. You understand what I say? Just use up the code, man. Use up the code. I got y'all. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The camera battery is dying, and I think this is where I'm gonna close out this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.